Anyway, I need some brass.
It's okay. We can go by TJ Maxx and I can grab a red.
I was looking for like a
I got lots of TJ Maxx gift cards.
what you call it? Rose gold type color. Or not rose gold, but more basically this color. But this is special order, and I don't want that. You feel me?
This is David Little. I went through this with you.
Well, you don't even know the color of the kitchen, so ain't even no point in you picking nothing out. You hear me?
At all.
You don't even know the color of the kitchen, so ain't even no point in you picking nothing out.
Some things just go with anything.
Some things just go with anything.
What are these for cabinets?
Clearly.
Watch yourself. What kind of cabinets are they? What color? What style?
They white. They always white.
What style though?
Right, exactly like that.
Right there? Okay. So, what color scheme are you doing? I do like this.
It's got marble backsplash tie and white and brown. No, white and brown. That's why I said I'm going with this color.
Let me go see right quick.
They ain't got it here. I bought the tile from Floor Decor.
Okay, well you like this color?
Well, I like this color, but it's only special order. I think this is close.
I like this.
No. Shit, first of all, I'm on a budget. We gonna stick within the 230 to 350.
But what you get in, what you put in is what you get out.
Nah, that's not true.
Okay.
There's a comp regardless. It's the highest it's gonna get.
I don't like that price range.
You all right? I wasn't really asking you.
What am I here for?
To do as I say.
What, please?
Yeah, I like this one better.
Why you want nine?
It's kitchen cabinets. What are you talking about?
Why you wouldn't do this?
Or let me see.
You can't do this on nine.
This one, alright. This is dope.
That's $1 over your budget.
No, I said 230, 350.
You did not. You said 2.
It's on camera. I can rewind it.
Then rewind it. You let fly.
This flies all through here. At least I know the alarm working.
You want me to just come here?
What's the code?
How am I supposed to?
I didn't cover the floor up. Ooh, that countertop looking good. They ain't do the dang on backsplash like you said.
Okay, but wait, right here.
I seen it already.
Is this come from not scraping prior?
Yeah.
They gonna have to fix this.
I already know. I said that. Who got this silver darn light?
Don't have good job, sirs. They didn't scrape any of this wall. That's why I gotta be down here doing the property manager. Cause see, you don't know how to talk to these people to get this done.
Oh yeah. How do I talk to them?
You be too gentle with things. Get this together.
Oh, they did the floor though.
Huh?
That floor looking good.
Good with a T. It is nice. I like it.
Looking good. Got the water on. They need to do these. Put another coat on these walls though.
It's nice.
Yeah, that's what happens when you got dry fall on the ceiling. This door locked? Yeah, it's locked.
Come on, little Miami shirt.
Don't hate me. Kind of wrinkled, but whatever.
You want to write house for me? You ain't made God that made me.
Ooh, look at that bathroom I designed though. I just gotta clean it a little
Oh,
bit.
this is pretty. I like this thing. You know what come up?
It's probably not hooked up yet. It's on though.
What you gonna do with the background?
Hold on, Mister. Gotta tighten that up, bro.
I do like this thing glass looking.
You don't have to tighten that up.
You leaving this? I like this.
Yeah, I ain't about to change. That ain't nothing but a sticker.
Oh, is it?
I can see. You still gotta fix this window.
Teensy bedroom. What you gonna put in here?
A 2-year-old. What you mean?
Look. The teensy 1, 2, 3,
Almost done though.
Are you putting fancy brown on the door?
No.
Well, I'm gonna make sure my mom sees too.
Donna don't want no smoke.
Please.
Nor does Michael. And said it.
What? Bring your.
She don't ever listen.
I'm gonna dedicate a whole weekend,
Okay.
to what we gonna do because I got some people in the club that want to do it.
So in here, basically, regular cleaning, man. Just the floors, the walls, all the tile. Like I just need it clean. The tub.
It's gonna be clean, man.
All that stuff, and then they gonna.
Well, you got some garbage bags. Now you know all this gotta be. You ain't got no Brillo bags or nothing.
I brought this right here.
Ooh, yeah, it's gonna be able to do what it's gonna do then.
And I brought the bucket, the bleach spray, bleach, Pine Sol,
towels.
Just some rags, and you can put all this. That's trash. That stuff you can throw trash. I guess.
You want me to sand some of this stuff down?
No,
Sandpaper, that's what
you're doing too much. You're doing too much. Let me go check the carpet. I ain't been upstairs.
The carpet is beautiful.
How you know?
I just went upstairs and took pictures of
I
it.
ain't
for you.
going upstairs. Okay. Yeah, this carpet do look good.
I know you didn't do this back thing, but you do back.
He started it, but he got it on there crooked, man. Oh yeah, this look real good. Gotta put the light up while they be halfway doing everything. Oh no, he probably just ain't finished. Turn around these bundles down. Terry, come upstairs right quick.
Huh?
Come upstairs right quick. The windows, right.
Hit the window seals.
Right here. See how dirty it is?
What?
All this, man.
Yeah.
In
We
there.
ain't got no vacuum cleaner if it fall off, but I'll do it.
Just it's water and bleach.
do what you
That's
say,
straight.
man.
Just don't. No, actually, don't use the bleach up here, cause I don't
'Cause it
want
get the carpet.
Yeah,
Right.
you can use the pine saw. Yeah, my
Hit
man.
these window seals.
See, this one ain't that bad.
Yeah. And hit all the window seals.
Nah, you ain't gotta do just whatever needs it.
What type of shoes is that?
Same, Jordans.
You might change your stable to
Man, you know how long I had these shoes?
huh?
I had these shoes about 12 years.
For real?
Yeah.
Let me have one.
You don't even
Them
wear
gotta be 10 and a half.
That is exactly 10 and a half.
Let me have them.
Excuse me, sir?
Let me have them 12-year-old, 10 and a half. I don't care about, I'm in the retro. You know what I'm saying? You know me, boy.
But yeah, you see how they, man, I had to call him, like, this is crooked, bro. They do that all wrong.
Hey.
Come on, man, they messing up the brand new stained countertops. Come on,
This ain't
Jerry.
gonna be your stuff, is it?
That's what I said, it's crooked. Look at that. Hold on, let me step back.
Let me hold it.
It's on there.
Oh, yeah, you got hold. That's gonna be it?
Bro, I told him he got to take it down.
Yeah, how you gonna do it? You gonna fill it in or something?
That's what I'm saying. He did it first. Furthermore, it ain't even supposed to. It's not even supposed to go over there. It's supposed to be on this wall only, the back only. He putting it on the side, man. I ain't even buy enough pieces to be going on the side, man. And he put the cabinets too tall. Who that tall? It's supposed to go right here. Where the edge at?
But yeah, you right, so because motherfucker gotta get on one of them to see up with.
Bro, you gotta be. Yeah, you 6'2"?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I can't reach the beams.
You can't even put a bulb out
Good
there.
Lord.
You 6'1", I'm 6'2".
I ain't 6. I'm 6 feet.
Oh, yeah. Hey, come here for a second. Let's just see the common housewife for a second.
Look, that's another issue. You put it up too tall, it's scraping the ceiling, bro.
Yeah.
The floors look good though, but he ain't do the floors. Somebody else did the. Had somebody else do the floors. Oh, she finally coming in. She done got rid of her
I'm
attitude.
still your pit bull and don't make a difference.
What did I walk into?
Yeah, I just told him. I said, you way up here now.
He said you had an attitude, you acting funny.
I know you ain't gonna like this. He didn't like it. Come over, look at this.
Yeah, look at this. Look what they did with the backsplash.
Where's way up there? The
It's
cabin.
the cabinet's on backwards.
What do you mean it's on backwards?
That's not how you open it. You open it the other way.
No, it's not. You open them both ways. That one goes this way.
Y'all women kill me. Toilet paper.
What are you talking about? It is supposed to open this way. Why would you open it inward?
You just open it this way.
No, you open it that way. That's how a cabinet's supposed to open.
Yeah, why? Yeah,
Why would you open it? Why would you open it
We
that way?
talking about that shit.
Even up there, look. That mug tall.
Well, some people have those on top of the refrigerator. I know.
Look, but look at the door. It's scraping the ceiling.
He got to break it down about right here or something.
And then I can't. I mean, he can, but then you got to repaint. Because it's holes in the back of
It
the
doesn't
wall.
matter. Nobody's gonna use that.
I use it. You talking about at
No,
home?
you don't.
Well, it's stuff above the refrigerator. It's it's bowls up there.
You just gonna touch it?
It doesn't matter. I put them up there.
Apples. We eat fruit.
There is nothing in that.
Anyway, look at how they did the backsplash though.
It ain't done, right?
It's gonna
It don't. It started off wrong. It's crooked. First of all, homeboy. Hey. First of all, she lying.
No, I'm not. He's talking about he needed a break. He drove to Georgia and then drove to
Oh,
Seven.
he used to be cold blooded. He used
Yeah. See how he
First
did?
of all, you believe that if you
He
walk.
did.
to be. Oh, not your twin.
Terry, Yes, he did. I was pregnant with twins. Yes, he did.
Believe
He
that
left
if you
me,
want. First of
and he
all,
went to Georgia.
I had a
and
job
then
to
he
go do.
No, he didn't.
I was flipping a
No,
house
he
in
didn't.
Georgia.
No, he didn't. He left me.
What you making that face for, bro? Get out. She should do a reality show. It's called Biggest Liars.
Really?
Cause
I'm lying now?
yes.
Wow.
Wow, yes.
You just don't want to tell the truth. Tell the truth.
I am the truth. I am the
Tell
truth.
the truth and shame
Shame
the
the devil.
devil. Tell him that you left me when I was pregnant with the twins.
Shut up. Anybody leave you? Came back in 2 days.
You was gone
I went to
like
go.
a week.
Oh, that's a lot. Now you're lying. Back there lying.
No, first of all, he lied to you. I'm telling you the truth.
Do I look like I would leave anybody?
Yes.
Say that again. Do I look like I would leave anybody?
Yes.
The old you?
Any me. 5-year-old, 6-year-old, what you mean?
You over the Lamborghini?
Yeah, a little bit.
Listen, man, she ain't did none of that till she met me. You
That's
hear me?
hey.
Terry, listen, she ain't know what Somerset was till she met me. You hear me?
Wow.
Never. She's like, what?
You ain't deny
Hey,
that.
hey, we pulled up to the ball. Hey, we pulled up to the ball. She like, oh my God, hey, where this ball at?
What?
Troy, woman.
What?
Troy.
What?
You said where the ball at?
Hey, listen, I had to teach her not to shop at Eastland.
I ain't never shopped at Eastland.
Goodness gracious, don't sit here and lie on me.
Don't sit there and listen.
She ain't never, hey, listen, hey. She ain't never even touched the Louis purse till she met me. She ain't know what it feel like.
Talk that. Hey, I gotta give you, because you did say he met you when you was thugging. And I see, when you was on the west side, you was.
I wasn't on the west side.
East side, west side. I don't know.
Hey, she was trying to rap.
Maybe you were trying to.
I was cold. I was cold.
Well, then I ain't sick because
I was
that
cold.
was wrong.
I was cold. You ain't never heard it.
I heard you.
Stepping in the door. You know. You should have seen his face.
Get on boy.
Hey, you better.
I'm riding with you.
Hey, you better. You heard. You better tell about me, T.
To change his life, helped me change my life.
All
When
that.
I was on drugs, and Blue brought me a secure pack. I went to my house and said, make sure we all right. Gave my wife and said, make sure we get some stuff.
That was nice, and I probably told him to do it.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
I probably.
I'm looking for room though.
Boy, you lucky they ain't got no basketball back here. I know you lucky they ain't got no basketball back here.
Still got it.
Damn, it looked like a Jurassic Park back here.
Bro, listen. When I first bought it, it was about tall as me. But let me look at here.
Distance.
Nope.
Ain't no broom back here. Boy, they got a basketball right there, 1-on-1 up to 3, boy. What we gonna do?
Nah, beat your ass.
Hell no. I don't know when it's gonna be, boy, but I remember I used to slam dunk on, back in the 80s. Back in the 80s, I think I slammed it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You
And-
like 30?
I was like 18. Shit. He did good though, Blue. Just got hit this over here. Be a nice backyard, especially if they get it done.
He's supposed to chip. He's supposed to scrape this.
You look like you need a new team.
Clearly.
A new who?
Because they keep messing up.
What she say you need?
You need a new team.
New contract.
Say it again, Miss Mankey.
You gonna have to get a new team.
You see, because she'll fire. She think she'll fire him quicker than you. Y'all no longer. Y'all services no longer
First
need.
of all, I fired 3 on the Auto Drive House. 3
Oh.
contractors.
Be like your service.